So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to the river. Yes, me I take over for my cousin because she feel like she's a celebrity and money like that. So we are going to the river. Anyways, we're going to the river. We're going on an adventure. Oh yeah, stop this one. Stop this for my cousin.
Dance again, cousin. Dance again now. My girl just give me the car. Get it! Oh, today is, well, we are counting on the days then. Where are we going? To the river! Who never been last time? We might be this morning.
Alright.
We never been, nothing know about it. So yeah, we are going to take a look at driving to go outside. Some people is staying home, but
That's the money.
But yeah. So come ready. Do you want me? And you wanna love me right back? Right?
One barrel.
Welcome back down to our YouTube channel. Today we have a special guest. We got Shan in the cut and Shanti in the cut. Where are we going? To the river. Abby, we are going river. I want to get work. Abby, feel alright. Feel alright. What here is today, Abby?
Play for your song then.
It can't connect to the car, Sophie.
Whoever ox guy.
Oh, you come to
Ox, she said ox.
Ox. Shante, me gonna do me dance, you know. Yes, please. Your love to me like that.
That's how you put me in a beautiful shot.
Under the flip, but it hips. And she wrote me, I said, no man, it's too bad me I go so far. I reach down in a cliff for things. Sophia, you know, I'm sorry, ma.
I'm gonna fix over the side of us.
We don't like a girl.
Sidewalk.
I don't like what we had here. Where we going, Sophia? Sophie saying, I don't want to say that.
Rich no man.
No, I'm for wireless. Hi.
I'll go down to us. Go around the land straight bend.
Stop me again. I want you.
Nah man, I don't know.
Sophia, answer me, please. Where we heading?
Straight land bend kind of way.
I want to go home.
You're very irritating. I still don't like nobody do that thing. I watch her.
Where we heading, Sophia? I'm sick of you. I want to head home. Nene, why we heading backwards?
Hey, fam.
Nene, I'm sick of you. I want to go home. I'm car sick. It's a big mascot one, yeah, she. Punch on them four tires in the car. No, we not going no way.
In the car.
So, oh, your accent changed so quick.
Nene?
Fam, you forgot the fam.
Yes, fam. I gotta change my accent.
Somebody's responsible to wash off the van.
Alright, do the African one.
Gnarly fam.
Hey, Chineko! Chineko! I beg oh. You need to shut. Chineko! Hey!
What?
I told you to pay last night. And two dear dog.
I'm not paying $500 to go in a free
Grand for 2 grand.
Grand.
3 grand.
3-5.
Nobody in the airport treat free, right?
So yes, me and my gym belongs them. We reached at the river. We're at Cane River. I wanted to go to Reggae Falls, but that's too much of a drive. So I just go Cane River instead. And me dislike my sister. She don't know how to be. Watch it. She's on fire, my sister. So we're on our way to 100 step. Oh, now go 100 what?
I just talk like say England I come from. Mercy. But yeah. I look so pretty, man. Pretty, man. Look at that. Beautiful. Tomorrow I'm going to Ochi. Who is not going to get to come to Ochi? I'm taking them to the river today. You know, I'm trying to spend as much time as possible with everyone. Nobody, where your job? Wanna?
Go over there then. Stand up and in our phone.
I say look more, you don't see me. I gonna dive. And I dive too heavy. Look how much I kill out myself. No, this not right. But cousin, you're not going to water, yeah? I heard her. She just come sick. She not going to no water. Look at glue still there. But me I go back up there, so I just rest of myself. And guys, I'm at Cane River. Today is River Day. Water day number 1. Water day number 2. It's gonna be tomorrow again. You're not going to water, yeah?
A few moments later.
Then when I start, your hand up on the camera. Ready?
Go on, brother.
Stop! Stop here, Nugget! Stop here, Nugget! Did you run go? Did you run go? When I get a dance in you! Ready? Run! Turn down now! Turn down!
What kind of, what this one? What's a killer wheel? You need to barely move, dog. Do your thing. So they hold the rock.
Come!
She did. She did.
My juice, gotta bring my juice. No, spoon.
Watch out. Yeah, the place are blue. So she maga. You done that.
Done. Ready.
done, man.
You're hungry belly, me I tell mommy boy you. All them play this a beer rest. We're playing rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and we had no time yet. We play rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I'm going to see who are going to win the second round. Me now play too much rice go up in my nose. Me done. Go on again, go on again, go on again. Shut that move now. Oh no, what? Go on with your food, man. Go on again, go on now, go on. Yeah, go on. Done. Shut that, stop top people so I don't party. Them two get a crib. But I know what that you play with, you know. With a crib. Go on. Watch ya, watch ya. Watch ya. That's it. That's it. Even though I win ya. She had to take out the car ready. I juice she want. She had to line up the juice right now. Go on.
Put it up. No more.
Shante, you're not eating no more. You. Hey girl, don't do that now. Shante, move no teeth. She teeth, watch her touch her not even get to eat nothing.
Who that talk about self-defense? No.
Really one come. Then Shante, your blood. Don't give me back the plate, man. Pack up. Don't give me back the rubbish. Then we pack them up over there, so. To me, whoever play that game, you know, wicked. Whoever invent that game, you know, wicked. But someone can hurt me because the rice. When I try to swallow.
No man, look at the skin.
Sister, cousin, brother, friend. Goes white. Goes white. Brother dance. You catch me. Why you so like dummy? This is what I miss. This me miss. Me and I related, you know? You sound like one dumb somebody. Oh boy, who like it? But yeah, my ear still a clean. So, everybody come my river and me get stung by bees. I'm not coming back. We need to be reimbursed for all my eggs. But today was a successful water day. Because then, the way I write, so your rock paper scissors are showing in your stomach. Yeah, so we're about to get ready to go home, right? Right, Louise? So we're going to drive home now, back to our parents. So, it's time now to go, and the rock paper scissors should kill me. I'm tired. Very much.
Even out of that, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. What's up?
So today was a very successful water day. I feel so good. If you know me, you know I love water.
You love water?
Because them can't manage it. Them cannot. Them cannot. Watch them. Come on. Let's go. This journey is not for the weak. Not for the weak. Because when I reach back up this every time I come at this place, I say, I not come back here this time. But girl, I'm tired. Them are dead. I'm not coming back. I'm serious this time. Pause, Martin. My chest feels tight. Mercy, my chest feels tight. 153 step? I want it, that man. Mercy. Stay tired. It's done. Mama tired. You're coming back? So she count 153 and you count 56. I want to say the day was successful with the water business. But now come back. I'm sorry, I'm done. I'm done. Oh, was today a good day?
No, I'm hungry.
Right? Shante, you cannot hungry.
You do one of the No, the breeze is not fresh yet, girl.
Lily, go on a country, man.
Alright, why don't the window to reach my main road? So, it has ended, right, Louise? Right. We're driving home now. Yeah, that's it. Say bye. I'll be water in everybody belly. Everybody heavy. All of a sudden we can't hold, so you know we are head back in now. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Today is the end of River Day. Yes, Brandon, you're going on YouTube.
How much you have to look on YouTube?
Well, I just saw Yapar with our superstar. But bye.